Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a simple Python project which is a Windows EXE installer. So first of all we need to import subprocess here. If it's not already on your system you might have to install it through pip, I'm not sure. I think it comes by default. Okay, I'm going to create a path here to my desktop in Windows. I'm just going to call it path to program. Okay, so on mine it's going to be C users mark desktop. So that's the path to my desktop. Your desktop path will be different from that, so you'll have to find out what it is. And os.chdr change directory to path to program. Right, also you will need to import OS up here, which comes by default, so you'll need to import that as well. Okay, we're going to type something here for the user, so that's going to be print. I'm just going to do this and another print here, and I'm just going to type in Windows .exe installer. Okay, let's just extend that a little bit there, and I'll show you what this looks like in a minute. Okay, so let's just save that. Let's just run it so I can show you what it looks like. We've saved it. Let's run it. So that will be the introduction there. That's what that will look like. Okay, now we're going to create the installer. But first of all, I'm going to give you a menu. So I'm just simply going to call this program, because this is going to be give you the choice to install it or not. So I'm going to type in install variable here, and I'm going to assign it to input to get the user input. That's going to give the user the option yes or no to install this. Then we're going to go on to a conditional. If install is equal to Y, we're going to do something. We're going to say install program. So we're going to create a new function here called install program. I'm going to create that down here. Install program. Okay, so this is the new function that we're going to be creating here. Or elif the install is equal to n, which is no, we're going to we're going to print by and simply quit the program. The final one is an else, and I'm just going to type in something very generic like print invalid input. Okay, so for the next one here, I'm just going to do that. I'm just going to type in pass here. for the next one because we're just going to check this out now. So if I type in program, here, let's have a look. Let's just run this. Okay, yes or no. So if I hit no, it says goodbye and we exit the program. Okay, let me just make a little bit of a space there. Okay, so now we come on to the installer. So I'm going to simply create a variable called program. I'm going to assign it to input, so we get the user input here, and then we're going to do program .exe, so the person can type the name of the program .exe in there. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to create a variable program path, and we're going to join this all together. We're going to join the name of this program with the path. And we do that by assigning it to os.path.join. Then that's going to join the path to the program. Path to program there. And also the program. Okay, so now we're going to evaluate it with a conditional if os.path.exists the program. So if the program exists, here we're going to do something. We're going to use the subprocess to run it. .run command, and then it's going to be program path, and then we're going to use this flag here, which is going to be a /s in silent mode, and then we're going to check true. Okay, and let's have a look. So path to program, there's a little bit of a error there. Okay, that should be all right now. Path to program. Now we've got the final else catch all. Print invalid entry. Hopefully there's going to be no typos there or anything, so let's just save that, and let's just run the let's have a look. Let me just make sure. So if install is equal to yes, come down here to install program. Okay, on my desktop I got an EXE here called ankiprogram.exe. So let's just run this. Let's just go a bit bigger. Install it. Yes. Okay. Program. That's going to be Anki program .exe. Hit enter, and there you go. There's the installer setup. I could click install, but I'm not going to. So I hope you like that, and remember, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie, and don't forget to subscribe as well, and I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.